How's your morning so far?
Good, good. Yourself?
Not too bad. I mean, I just brought my laptop in case I need to work and wait for anyone. Yeah, I just want this COVID thing to be over, man.
Yes.
Honestly.
I don't blame you. Are you gonna rent it out, sell it?
I'm gonna rent it actually,
Rent it.
yeah. So I got my occupancy permit scheduled soon. I'm doing the lead inspection today, later today. So hopefully if that goes well, we'll be all set. How many appointments do you have in a day?
I got 12 of them today. It's light.
Oh, 12 is light?
Yeah, I used to
Wow.
do like 17.
That's a lot.
Yeah.
Now, is this the best time for plumbing inspections to happen early morning, or can
It
change?
depends.
Can change.
Yeah.
And I gotta tell you, whenever I come here now, I'm like, wow, this city was so vibrant. I mean,
It's terrible.
yeah.
It's like a ghost town.
And as much as I'm scared of, the viruses and all, I just want things to open, because
Yes.
trust me, one of my friend, even after getting the, $10,000 help, whatever, he still has to shut down his business until further notice because he said, I can't survive, man. There are no customers.
Right.
Man.
Yeah, it's a
I know
shame.
people are hating on Trump for doing this. Oh, thank you, sir. Appreciate it.
I think he's doing a good. I'm a Democrat, and I think he's doing a good job.
I think so too, man. I think honestly, I'm a businessman.
Yeah.
He's good for business.
Yes, he's
You
good
know
for
what I
business.
mean? So as long, because when you have job and you have money coming in, you don't complain.
No.
You only complain when,
There's people working.
yeah, people are busy when they're working, right?
All minorities are working.
Yeah.
If you want a job, is one
Blacks are working, right?
Yes, yes.
I mean,
And I'm a 61-year-old Democrat, and I ain't got a problem with the man.
man, you don't look a day over 40, man. Seriously.
61, buddy.
Yeah.
This thing keeps me moving. I gotta keep walking. That's my main
I think that's the best thing. Like you're always on the go, and you meet
Yeah.
people, and you.
Everything's good.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy.
Appreciate it, man.
Okay, buddy.
Yeah, let's pray that the city opens up, man.
Yeah, I hope so, man.
We all can certainly, use some more love.
Yes. Take care of yourself. Have a good day.
See, the permit passed. Took like 5 minutes, but had to schmooze the inspector. He wasn't comfortable being photographed or being in a movie, so I did my best to keep the camera down. But hopefully, you guys heard how he talked and how I kept talking to him to keep him distracted, so he doesn't pay attention to all little details that he could, think of when he has a clear mind. Talk about things that they like. Talk about things that they want. He liked Trump, so I said, well, you know what? He's doing good for the country. What am I gonna say, right? So just some tips on how to do soft skills to make sure that these inspectors think you're friendly, want to work with you again, and get the job done. That's important.